In this video, we will show you how to change the screen tone on your Samsung Galaxy S22 by enabling the Eye Comfort Shield or Blue Light Filter feature. To begin, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers to pull down the Quick Settings panel. Swipe left to find the Eye Comfort Shield and then tap on it. As you notice, the screen tone immediately becomes warmer the moment you enable it. However, if you want to automate it, then tap and hold on its icon to open the settings. Make sure the custom option is selected, and then tap Set Schedule. Tap Sunset to Sunrise if you want Eye Comfort Shield to be enabled when the night falls. Although you will need to give your phone access to your location information for the feature to work properly. If you don't like that, you can choose Custom, which allows you to set the start time when the Eye Comfort Shield will be enabled and end time when it will be disabled again. Now, if you want to change the intensity, you simply have to drag the slider to the right to make the tone warmer, or to the left to make it a bit cooler. And that's how you set up the Eye Comfort Shield on your phone. You can disable it anytime by pulling down the Quick Settings panel and tapping on its icon. We hope that this tutorial can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.